Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. My dear students, today my topic is about trachea. Before going to discuss about the trachea, so if you want to follow my previous sessions, so please follow. So I have discussed about what is the meaning of a respiratory system or pharynx or larynx and everything and all. And today's special session about the trachea. As we know that, so trachea is a one of the organ belongs to respiratory system. So as we know, so this is a nasal cavity and continuous part is nothing but pharynx, and next one is the larynx, next one is incomplete C-shaped cartilage buildup of, and it is a continuous part of the right bronchi and left bronchi, and there is a right lung and left lung. So this is actual the thing of respiratory system. So we are discussing here about trachea. So this is the part is called as trachea. Let us see the position of the trachea. And one more thing, the one of the competitive bit you can able to find here, the trachea is also called as windpipe because it looks like the pipe like structure. That's what, my dear students, it is also called as windpipe. And it is telling that exact position of the trachea is nothing but it is a continuous part of the larynx, as we know that, and it is extended of, as I told you, right bronchi and left bronchi, right and left bronchi at the level of T5. So this is the exact position of trachea. And next I can say about what is the length of the trachea. There is a 10 to 11 centimeters it is a length. So that is a length of the trachea. And next I can say, so as I told you, for any anatomical part we must go for organ association. The first one is superior, inferior, anterior and posterior, lateral. And the first thing we can see, so superior, so what is there above of the trachea? So there is a, ultimately there is a larynx is there, so that is will come under first one, superior organ. And inferior, as I told you, so inferior there is a right and left primary bronchi will be there. And anterior, so in front of the trachea there is a part of thyroid gland. And next one is there is a posteriorly there is esophagus is present, as you can see in the diagram. So this is a posterior. So here the posteriorly there is a esophagus is present. Yeah. And next one is the laterally. As we know that laterally there is a right lung as well as left lung is present. So this is the organ association is the very important for the medical profession. So this is about trachea introduction and organ association. No? Next we can see diagrammatic presentation. You can able to see here. So there is a organ. This is nothing but esophagus. It is a present here. So this is a C-shaped. This is a cartilage. As I told in the previous session, the cartilage is nothing but flexible nature. It will be movable. It will be somewhat flexible nature. So it is an incomplete C-shaped cartilage is made up of with trachea. So that is about the diagrammatic presentation. Let's see the structure of trachea. Nothing but what are the layers and tissues are surrounded by this trachea. The first one is fibrous elastic tissue, the first layer, and second one is smooth muscle, that is the second one, and third one is ciliated columnar epithelium. Just remember, this is the three kinds of the layers of the tissue is present for the trachea. So this is one of the competitive bit. How many layers of tissues are present for the trachea? There are the three kinds of the layers of tissues are present. And one more thing, one of the important competitive bit is how many C-shaped incomplete cartilage rings are present. There is 16 to 20 incomplete cartilage rings are present, which is C-shaped. So this is also one of the important bit for you. And next one is finally for the anatomically, so blood supply. So what is the arterial blood supply? Inferior thyroid artery and one more artery, that is a brachial artery. So this is the two kinds of the arteries are blood supply for the trachea. First one is inferior thyroid artery and second one is bronchial artery. And next one is venous blood supply, inferior thyroid veins, as well as nervous blood supply, laryngeal nerves. So this is the blood supply for the trachea. Next we can see the what are the functions of trachea. As we know that the first one is support and patent. It is going to support for the complete respiratory system. So it is a extension in between the larynx and bronchus and supporting. And next one is mucillary ascaltrate. It is secreting mucosa in order to maintaining of the humidification, and it is helpful for the filtering and cough reflex also. You just think yourself while you are coughing, so the reflexes will come from the trachea only. So these are the some kind of the functions by trachea. So as I told you, the very important competitive bit so belongs to this topic. The first one is the windpipe is also known as, yes, nothing but trachea. There is a three kinds of options are there: larynx, lungs, trachea and esophagus. The third option is correct, that is the trachea is also called as windpipe. So this is one of the competitive bit. So this kind of the bits you will get in ESI or railway or CHO, this kind of the competitive exams for the government, central government and state government. And next one is, which of the following function of the trachea? What is the main function of trachea? There is a four options are the gaseous exchange. No, gaseous exchange will be occur in the alveoli. So filtration of the air and exhalation of the air from the body. No, all of the above. No. So here the second option will be the right answer. Filters of the air in the breath. So this is a option will be correct. So my dear students, so this is about today's session. So today we have discussed about what is the meaning of trachea, what is the exact position of the trachea, what is the organ association for the trachea, and what are the structure of trachea, and what is the functions of trachea. So this is about today's session. My dear students, please follow us, like and share and subscribe. I will come with another new topic. Thank you so much.